Hello everyone! Kumusta po tayong lahat? I hope you have good health. Nasa maayos po tayong kalagayan saan man tayong sulok ng mundo. Happy New Year and Happy Chinese New Year po. It's been a while po since hindi po ako nakapag-vlog. But welcome to Team Mercado of Canada's vlog. So for today's vlog, pag-uusapan po natin yung Spousal Open Work Permit. New rules. A few months ago, Canadian Immigration Minister Mark Miller had announced that there will be new eligibility criteria for SOWPs, which will restrict a spousal open work permit only to spouses of high-skilled workers. Pero wala pong detalye yon. Noong January 21, 2025, naglabas po sila ng full detailed criteria or the new rules for the spousal open work permit. But before the new rule, isi-share ko muna sa inyo ang dating rule. Before, spouses of any tier level job can get a spousal open work permit. Meaning, the principal worker or the principal applicant with a valid work permit na nagtatrabaho sa Tier 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in respective to their tier level of their job, their spouse is eligible for a spousal open work permit. As long as yung main applicant po na yon has at least 6 months of validity sa kanyang work permit. Remaining sa kanyang work permit. And their spouse can apply for a spousal open work permit. This is so easy, di ba? Napakabilis. For several years din naman ito nila ginagawa. But now, ito na nga po ang masakit. The government wants to reduce the number of temporary residents. So the criteria of SOWP are being tightened. So according to IRCC, the latest rules are, number 1, only spouses of temporary foreign workers or the main applicant who are in high-skilled occupations will be eligible for SOWP. Typically po, high-skilled jobs. Dito po yan mag-fall sa Tier 0, Tier 1. Sinama po nila ang Tier 2 and 3. Tier 4 and 5 are considered low-skilled. So ano po itong mga Tier 0? Management and leadership level jobs. Tier 1, professional jobs such as doctors, lawyers, computer programmers, and scientists. And some essential or shortage jobs could be healthcare, constructions, and trades jobs. So another thing, the principal foreign worker work permit must be valid for at least 16 months in order for their spouse to be eligible for SOWP. So, need mo munang mag 16 months yung validity ng permit mo bago ka makapag-apply or allowed ka i-apply yung iyong spouse for the open work permit. In short, no SOWP in Tier 4 and 5. So, SOWP can only be applied if the sponsor foreign national work permit holder is valid for at least 16 months. So inulit ko lang po na hindi na po pwede ang 4 and 5, Tier 4 and 5. Tapos maka-apply lang po si main applicant sa kanyang SOWP kung 16 months po ang validity ng kanyang work permit. At yung mga anak po nila na 18 and above na hindi po mag-aaral are no longer eligible for an open work permit. Dati kasi pwede po yun. All spouses in Tier 0 and 1 are eligible for SOWPs. Eligible din po ang Tier 2 and 3 for SOWPs only if the principal foreign national or the main person holding the current work permit is working in some certain list of shortage occupations. So yung 2 and 3, meron din po silang listahan kung ano-ano lang din po yung mga trabaho na yun na nag-a-allow to apply as SOWPs. Sa susunod ko pong vlog, doon ko po sasabihin kung ano-ano po yung mga trabaho na belong sa Tier 2 and 3. So, nakakalungkot po pagmasdan na very strict sila when it comes to spousal open work permit because marami din po tayong mga kakilala, marami din po tayong mga kaibigan na magagraduate pa lang, mag-a-apply pa lang. Pero talagang sadyang ganun ang ating buhay, talagang definite, lalo na po sa Canada. Every now and then, nagbabago po ang kanilang rules, especially this time. Pabago-bago sila noon, lalo na po sila ngayon. Kasi gusto nga nilang kontian or i-reduce yung kanilang mga temporary workers. So, yun lang po ang aking ma-share ngayon sa vlog na ito. Sana po may natutunan po kayo. Sana po nakashare po ako ng konting insights tungkol po new role ng SOWPs. Thank you so much at sana po magkikita-kita po tayo sa susunod nating vlog. God bless everyone. Don't forget, stay happy all the time. Bye!